There's a big difference between playing a game and being completely surrounded by it. The BenQ X500i is designed for that second experience. It takes everything you expect from a serious gaming display and stretches it across a wall-sized canvas without losing speed, clarity, or intensity. At the core is true 4K UHD resolution. That means 3840 by 2160 pixels, delivering sharp detail in every frame. Character textures look crisp, open-world environments feel expansive, and fine UI elements stay clean even at massive screen sizes. When you project well beyond 100 inches, resolution matters more than ever, and this projector holds up. Brightness sits at 2200 lumens, powered by a 4 LED light engine. Compared to traditional lamp systems, for LED technology provides better color consistency, longer lifespan, and strong brightness stability over time. The result is vibrant color reproduction and punchy highlights that bring HDR content to life. Sunlight reflections, neon cityscapes, fire effects, and particle explosions all have depth and realism without washing out darker scenes. Where this projector truly separates itself is gaming performance. It supports ultra-low input lag, dropping as low as 4 milliseconds in high refresh 1080p mode. That level of responsiveness means your actions translate to the screen almost instantly. Fast-paced shooters feel tight. Racing games feel controlled. Sports titles react precisely to every movement. Even at 4K 60 Hz, latency remains impressively low for console gamers who want both resolution and responsiveness. Auto game mode makes setup effortless. Connect a PS5, Xbox Series X, or Nintendo Switch and the projector automatically detects the source, adjusting settings for optimized gameplay. No complicated calibration process. No diving through endless menus. It simply switches to performance-focused tuning the moment you power on your console. Competitive players will also appreciate the built-in FPS crosshair feature. It overlays a subtle aiming guide that can be useful in scenarios where in-game crosshairs shift or disappear. It's a small but thoughtful addition that shows this projector was clearly built with gamers in mind. Another major advantage is short throw capability. You don't need a massive living room to enjoy a massive image. Positioned relatively close to the wall, the X500i can produce a 100-inch screen without requiring long projection distance. That makes it ideal for apartments, bedrooms, and dedicated gaming spaces where room layout is limited. Big screen immersion without the need for a giant room. Audio performance is handled by dual 5-watt speakers that deliver clear dialogue and balanced sound for everyday use. For casual gaming sessions or streaming content, the built-in speakers are perfectly usable. But for a more cinematic setup, eARC and SPDIF outputs allow seamless connection to premium soundbars or surround sound systems. Pair it with a Dolby Atmos configuration and the experience becomes fully theater level. Design is compact and modern, blending easily into both gaming setups and living rooms. It feels intentional rather than flashy. Setup is straightforward, image alignment is manageable, and once everything is dialed in, the display feels immersive on a scale that traditional TVs simply can't match at similar price points. The BenQ X500i strikes a rare balance. It offers true 4K resolution, HDR vibrancy, ultra-low latency performance, console-optimized features, and flexible short throw placement in one cohesive package. It's built for players who want competitive speed and cinematic scale at the same time. If you're planning to upgrade your gaming room or replace your TV with something dramatically larger and more immersive, check the link in the description to explore the latest offers on the BenQ X500i and bring next-level scale to your console experience.